In a village nestled among rolling hills lived a farmer named Kareem. Though his pockets were often empty, his heart was full of faith and honesty. Every morning he would look at his dry, cracked fields and pray to Allah for guidance and rain. His wife, Fatima, and their two children, Ollie and Zara, watched him with a mix of hope and worry. He didn't know where they came from, but he felt a surge of hope. These were a blessing, a sign. The next day, Kareem and his family planted the golden seeds with renewed determination. He told his children, "Every seed we plant is a promise of hope. We must nurture it with care, patience, and love." They worked together, tilling the soil and carrying what little water they could find from the distant stream. Weeks turned into months. The villagers' skepticism grew as Kareem's fields remained stubbornly brown. But Kareem never faltered. He tended to his land every single day, pulling weeds and protecting the soil from the scorching sun. The stalks were heavy with grain that shone under the morning sun, like a river of pure gold. It was a harvest unlike any the village had ever seen. The very villagers who had mocked Kareem now stood in silent awe. They had witnessed the fruit of his unwavering faith and tireless labor. Kareem, with tears of gratitude in his eyes, looked at the golden expanse. They saw that true wealth wasn't found in gold or quick gains, but in the sweat of one's brow and the unwavering belief that with hard work and faith, even the driest land can yield a golden harvest. Kareem's story became a legend, a timeless reminder of patience and perseverance. Thank you so much for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like, share,